Welcome to Drones Over Domes. Launch the drone and hit ascend. We're leveling up over Kyiv's most priceless vertical asset, the Great Lavra Bell Tower. At 96 meters, this 18th century spire was the original skyline dominator, ringing out KPIs of faith long before office blocks even filed permits. Swing the lens south. 4 tiers of Corinthian columns stacked like a blue-chip portfolio, capped by a gilded dome that flashes sunlight clear across the Dnipro River shipping lanes. Orbit left, you'll see the Lavra's honey cluster of churches, refectories, and those legendary catacomb entrances, 11th century underground data centers where monks archived souls instead of servers. Now tilt down. The terracotta roofs and emerald courtyards grid the hillside like a perfectly balanced balance sheet. Each arch and arcade double-checked by UNESCO's auditors. Golden hour? The entire complex glows ember orange, and the bell tower's polished cross turns into Kyiv's North Star for commuters and pilgrims alike. Bottom line, Great Lavra Bell Tower is a 300-year-old vertical launch pad for hope. Timeless architecture, premium finish, zero downtime. Cut, render, Halo achieved.